Hey lads, TechScanning here. It seems like Oppo is well under the radar of the leakers. Like a couple of days ago, we got hands-on images of the Oppo Find X6 Pro and now the Indian variant of its low-budget series phone, the Oppo A78, got out before its 16 January launch. The phone is already out in the Malaysian market and now looking at the Indian variant, it looks like exactly the same like the glossy back and two large camera cutouts housing the two camera sensors and flashlight. Just like the most low-budget phones, the Oppo A78 features a water drop style notch for an 8-megapixel selfie cam, while we can spot thick bezels around the screen. Further, we can also see the handset will sport AI-backed 50-megapixel main cam, dual stereo speakers, and a huge 5000 mAh of battery. The other camera sensors on the back is said to be a 2-megapixel. Thankfully, there is also a fingerprint sensor given at the side of the phone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. There is a 33-watt fast charging port, which is seriously speaking not bad for such a highly affordable phone. For the display, an HD plus 90Hz LCD display will be there, while the handset will draw power from Dimensity 700, which is though not a powerhouse chipset but will be enough for daily life normal usage. Perhaps the most interesting part of the Oppo A78 that if you belong to a city where 5G is already launched, this low budget phone will let you enjoy amazing internet speed. Now, I'm sure at this point you are curious about the price. So with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, which is extendable through an SD card, it is expected to cost around 19,000 Indian rupees. So overall, I think Oppo A78 is a well-packed device with a huge battery, a 50-megapixel AI-powered main cam, 5G support and an octa-core processor. Let me know your valuable thoughts about the Oppo A78 below in the comment section. And that's it for today. Please do consider subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.